Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Sisani binti Azahari and my student ID is 2023667364.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syamimi Akmal binti Muhammad Syamsul and my student ID is 2023654748.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mariam Dana binti Muhammad Hazardi and my student ID is 2023224226.
Here's I'm going to share with you guys on how to solve questions 1A, B, C and D. For question A, Azlan bought a house for 200,000. He paid a down payment of 20% and took a loan that charged 6.5% interest compounded monthly to finance the balance. The loan is to be repaid over 20 years by monthly installment. Okay, the first step is to analyze the information. 200,000 is the cash price, which is C. Then 30% of down payment is 40,000. 20% times by 200,000, you will get 40,000. So next, you guys have to use formula C minus down payment, which is DP equal to A. Once you get the A, which is 160,000, just substitute into the formula. So the final answer, Azan has to pay 100,192.92% for monthly payment. The formula you guys have to use is A equal to R, 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M power negative M times T minus K over M. So T equal to 20 because Azan has to repeat for 20 years, while M is 12 because monthly. K 6.5%, so divide 100 and you will get 0.065. So all the information just substitute into the formula and you will get R, as the final answer is 100,192.92%. Next is 1B. Find the total interest charged for the loan. Formula you guys have to use A for the total interest is I equal to NR minus A. Since you guys have all the information, so just substitute to the formula. N equal to M times by T. So M is 12 while T is 20. So 12 times 20, 240. R is 1192.92 while A is 160,000. So the total interest that you will get is 126,380 cents. So move to the next question, which is 1C. If Azlan missed the first 4 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 5th installment to keep his payments up to date? For these questions, we have to use formula S equal to R in bracket 1 plus K over M power N minus 1 divide K over M. So T is 5 because it asks how much should Azlan pay on the 5th installment. So just substitute into the formula. So the answer will be 6029.56. Last one is 1D. If Azlan wants to settle the loan immediately after the 200 payment through a single payment, find this single payment. For these questions, we have to use formula A equal to R, 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M power negative M divide K over M. So N equal to MT, so 12 times 20 will be 240. So you have to minus with 200 because Azlan has paid for the 200 payment. So the last answer A will be 4297.73.
Okay, move to question number 2. Ahmad plans to take up business and purchase a short lot near his home. He saved 10,000 ringgit in an account that pays 6% compounded every 4 months. 4 years later, he withdrew all his money to pay for the down payment of the short lot. The question is, find the value of the down payment, which is we have to find the S. For question A, P is 10,000 ringgit, K is 0.06 or 6%, M is 3, T is 4. So, we can use formula S equal P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket to the power of MT. Lastly, we put all the information we had, which is P is 10,000 ringgit, K is 0.06, M is 3, and the last T is 4. So we got the answer 12,682.42 cents. For question B, we have to find the A or the cash price of the short lot. The question gives us the R, which is 1,502 ringgit, K is 0.0425, M is 12 and T is 15. So, we can use formula A equal R bracket 1 minus M bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT over K and over M and close bracket. There is 105,002. The K is 0.425, which was given in the question. The M is 12 and the T is 15. So the answer is 199,660 and 12 cents. To get the answer, we have to add with the previous S. So 99,660 and 12 cents plus 12,682 and 42 cents. And the final answer is 212,342 and 54 cents. Sabrina invested 5,000 ringgit for 9 years and 9 months with an interest rate of 7%, compounded every 4 months for the first 4 years and 8% compounded quarterly for the rest of the period. Find the accumulated amount of money in the account at the end of investment period. For the question 3, they already give us P, which is 500 ringgit. K is 0.07 and 0.08. M is 3 and 4, and the last T is 4 and 23 over 4. First of all, we need to use formula S equal P bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT. So, we got 500 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 3 close bracket and to the power of 12. And we got 659 ringgit and 44 ringgit. Next, we have formula of S2 equal S1 bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT. So, put the previous S in this formula, which is 659 and 44 cents, and bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 4 M to the power of 23. And the final answer is 1,039 ringgit and 87.
Moving to question 4, 5 years ago, an amount of 4,000 was deposited in a saving account that paid interest at 4% compounded monthly. Today, another 1,500 is deposited into the account. Find the accumulated amount at the end of 7 years from the initial deposit. So, first, we need to use this formula. S equal to P bracket 1 plus K per M close bracket MT. Analyze the information and transfer it into the formula. We will get the first S equal to 4,883 and 99 cents. After that, we find the second S by using the same formula, and after we apply all the information into the formula, we finally get the final answer 6,940 and 14 and 77 cents. Lastly, question 5. RMX was deposited in a savings account at 4.3% interest compounded monthly. 15 months later, 4,000 was withdrawn from the account and the balance was 3,500. Find the value of X. So, first, we need to find the S by using S equal to balance plus withdrawn. 3,500 plus 4,000 equal to 7,500. After that, we use the formula S equal to P, bracket 1 plus K per M, close bracket and MT. So, we apply the amount of S that we got earlier into the formula. Since we need to find X, which is the P, just apply all the information into the formula and use your calculator to calculate. In the end, we will get the X amount, 6,271 and 76 cents.